Welcome to today's episode on my channel. Today we are going to do something very different from the normal. We are going to unbox this 3-in-1 breakfast maker. Okay, so subsequent week we are going to do a lot of videos on what you can actually accomplish with this 3-in-1 breakfast maker. So today I'm just going to unbox this breakfast maker and then I'll tell you about the various parts about the machine itself. We'll take much question if you want to ask questions about what this machine is all about, what you can accomplish it with it, what you should do and what you shouldn't do with this machine. In the following week to come, I'll be obliged to take your question. So I'm going to go into the video proper without taking your time and still remain Joshua Victor Manuel, the face behind best luxury. And so we are going to unveil this machine. In opening this machine, the first thing we are going to take out of the machine is the glass lid. Okay, this is the glass lid. This is what you're going to use to cover in case you want to make eggs for this machine. This is an electric machine, okay? So the next thing I'm going to take out is this cup so that we can bring out every other part of the machine, okay? I'm going to take my time to do this. So I'm going to take out the cup, and then this is the grill pan, okay? This is the grill pan where you're going to put your egg in case you want to blend. Sorry, not blend. I'm so used to blenders. In case you want to fry your egg, this is where you're going to place it. It's a non-stick pan. The pan is a non-stick pan, okay? So the next thing I'm going to bring out is the machine. So the machine itself, okay? I'm going to take all these waterproof and then I'm going to show you the different components of this machine. Who are supposed to have this sort of machine? Okay, this machine can do a whole lot of stuff for bachelors, for students, for people who want to just make quick breakfast before going to work. You can simultaneously bake your bread here, or you can just fry your egg here, or you can make your coffee here. Okay, this is where you can make your coffee. This is the coffee cup, okay, and then this is the coffee filter. This is the coffee filter here, okay, and this is where you will pour in the water, this space here. Then you put in your coffee here. This is the lid handle. I'm going to take this one out and fix it with the lid here, because this is going to be always very hot while you're making your breakfast, making your egg, toasting your bread. If you want to do grill fish and all that, point and kill, you can achieve it with this. So I'm going to screw this up, and this is going to help you fix your grill pan here. You're good to go. So this is where you're going to toast your bread if you want to do anything, baking, pizza, whatever. And this is your coffee cup. In making your coffee, all you need to do is you press this button here and the coffee cup has come out. You pour in your coffee here, and give a better view. You pour in your coffee here. This is the filter for the coffee. After finishing, you can wash it off. So you just pour your coffee in here, and then this is where you pour in your water. There's a space at the back. You pour in your water, and then you clip it in. Your coffee, while it's plugged in, will be made available for you. And so you take up. This is your baking pan. This is your wire, how do you call this? Your wire made or something, wire pan or so. Your wire pan. You can decide to take it to this down part. So this is the on and off button. If you want to start your coffee making process, you just put it, power it on, and then when you're done, you can off it. You can increase the temperature. It has up to 230. Okay, you can increase it to 230. Then this is the time, you set your time to whatever minute you want it to carry out the process. Once you're on the machine, this light will be on. Oh, this is the correct one for this is your baking tray, and this is your baking rack. Okay. In subsequent time, we'll show you a lot of videos that we're gonna make and what you can accomplish with this. So hopefully you stay tuned and then learn more about this 3-in-1 breakfast maker. You shouldn't be late for work anymore. Or if you want to warm your food, you can use this as your oven to warm your food, and then you're good to go. Which is going to be a very good machine. The machine is on, as you can see. Once it's on, the light is going to turn red inside. Both up and down, there's a light there. So the up light here will power this pan here to get it very hot for you to fry your egg or whatever, your sausages and all that. Then the one down here will do the necessary job. As you can see, I'm taking the temperature to 230. I'm feeling the heat really outside here. Can you imagine the heat that is coming out from here? Don't even think of taking your hand in there. It's going to injure, but really. So you take it to the timer. You can set it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever minute you want to set it, and you're good to go. So I'm going to off it now. I'm not making any coffee, so I'm not supposed to put this on. I'm supposed to on it when there is a need for you to make coffee. It's very hot, you have to be very careful. So for first time users, you are asked to brew water first. You're going to pour water in here. Sorry. You're going to pour water in here. You're going to brew water first, probably to sterilize or everything. So you're going to cover it on and allow the brewing process to start. So you power on the machine and watch it do the brewing. Okay. So the machine is on. I'm taking the temperature to whatever I want and allow the coffee maker to do its job. Okay. So do not touch hot surfaces. It's boldly written. If you do, you know what hot surface can do. So you have to be extremely very careful. For first time, you can see from the coffee maker, the water is dropping, it's vaporized. So if there was coffee here, it will just do the brewing for you. Subscribe to the channel. That's all we can take for today. In subsequent time, we will show you much practical steps on what you can achieve with this machine. We look forward to you. If you're a first time subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, we thank you. We say without you we cannot grow. And keep sharing the video. Thank you. I love you guys. So see, if there was coffee, the coffee would have been made, okay? But there is none, so this is just like sterilizing the whole thing.